What is up, everybody? I'm that Frigin guy, and I have got something to show you all today. This is my first ever Nerf mod, the Nerf rival Armada. This is an integration between a Nerf rival Khaos and a Nerf rival Kronos. I've done upgrades to both of them. A full 3S LiPo and rewire on the Khaos, as well as a K26 spring upgrade on the Kronos. I've made a few other tweaks. I've taken the hop-ups out of both for the Kronos because it causes the shots to curve down into the ground instead of up. And on the Khaos, just because with the additional power, they curve too far up, and now you're shooting about 45 degrees with straight shots. So while the distance is reduced down to about stock on both of these guns, they shoot with much more precision. Whatever you point this at, you will hit it, and that is just great. I love that. And as you can see, the rate of fire is much higher on the Kronos or the Khaos now. While I have replaced the battery with a 3S LiPo, it is still compatible with the original Nerf rechargeable battery pack, as well as, I suppose, the batteries with the original battery tray if you wanted to use those for some reason. I have also added, on the back, a sling mount. The one thing I thought the Khaos was missing when I first got it and really wasn't happy with. So I've added that on there. You can clip it onto your belt, I suppose, if you really wanted. You can clip those Phantom Core flags. On the other end, this is the barrel from I don't remember the name, but it's that one Busby bolt-action sniper rifle. I had one of those that broke a while back, but I saved the barrel thinking I might be able to use it for something like this, and that fits great. It's really large, so it doesn't impact rival rounds. It's pretty much just cosmetic. And the paint job was just to make the colors match on both blasters, since this was originally a blue Khaos and the white Phantom Core Kronos. This thing is great. I've been loving it. Especially the Kronos bit hits like a truck. It is Nerf sniper performance. It's great. I can hit shots from all the way across the yard and pretty much exactly where I'm pointed at. So this kind of merges the best of both really fast, short range, close quarters combat, along with really long range shots for kind of poking to people from a distance. Be sure to come back for some more Nerf mods in the future, and until then, I'll see you next time.